In this video, I will guide you how you can add money in TonKeeper. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your TonKeeper application and log in with your particular wallet. Now once you are in, what you need to do is to simply either click on buy and sell option to purchase your Ton coin. Now you can also go with the USDT, but for now let's click on buy and sell. And if I click on show all, as you can see, we have many options. As for the USDT, we only have 4 options. Now make sure to remember you need to choose it wisely. Let's say you want to purchase it with your credit card, so you're gonna need to go with Neo Crypto, MoonPay, or Heaven Change as well. Now if you want to go with the bank and cards, you can click on transact and then click on buy ton. Now once you click on it, this is going to open up a new window where you need to enter all of the details and make sure to select your options of instant transfer if you want to go with it. Otherwise you can also go with the Visa card. Now once you click on the Visa card, you can click on buy now, then you need to enter your email address and then click on continue. You just need to confirm your personal details and all of the stuff. Then you need to enter the details of your card. Just need to click on the purchase option and you will gonna receive your ton into your particular wallet, which you can swap or use it for any other purpose that you want to go with. Hope this helps. This is how you can add money into your ton keeper.